Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple chicken 65. It's a deep fried dish and it goes well with so many rice dishes. This is Chef Nicole and you are cooking with Nick. So we are going to start by removing the flesh off the bones. You can just get the normal chicken breasts and use them, but I prefer to do it this way. So now that that's done, we have these two amazing chicken breasts and those beautiful chicken tenders. Nothing left on the carcass. So now we are going to cut them up into little bite-sized pieces and put them all into a bowl to get it ready for the marinade. So now for the marinade, we have 100 ml of curd. We have just 20 grams of ginger and garlic paste. And 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix that all up and make sure it is soaking in the marinade. So now for the batter, we have 4 tablespoons of corn flour, we have 6 tablespoons of maida, we have 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 chopped green chili and a few chopped curry leaves. Now we are adding the juice of 1 lemon and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix that through nicely and add some water to make a thick paste. If you find the water isn't enough, add a little more until you get a paste that is like this. Add salt to taste and mix it thoroughly. Now to the marinated chicken, we add another chopped green chili and some chopped curry leaves and mix it well. To this we are going to add some of the batter just to make sure that all the pieces of chicken are coated evenly in the batter. Now we get a pan of oil nice and hot and we slowly put the chicken in one by one. Once the pan is full, allow the chicken to cook until they all start to float at the top. So now, as you can see, the chicken has cooked and has started floating on the top, and it's time for them to be taken out of the oil. Once the chicken is cooked and taken out, just put a handful of dry curry leaves into the oil. This, when it cools down, it will give the chicken 65 a nice crunchy texture. So So now we're going to put those beautiful red pieces of chicken 65. Top it off with those crunchy curry leaves, a wedge of lime, and some fresh onion rings to give it that freshness. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you practice this at home, and make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Click the bell icon for more tasty dishes just like this. I'll see you on the flip side.